ọhanaeze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu kenekwa m unu kena onye ọbụla biko dododo gbara ọsọ gbara ije gbara ọsọ were ije were ọsọ were ije cool you down nene this video just know gini calm down I said gini calm down nene this video because na all the very very important ka ọ dịkwa n'mbozo ndị Igbo bye.
Few years ago, there was a Catholic priest that was posted in my community in Imo State. He was very popular for his stand against Igbo tradition. He assisted and encouraged a lot of families and individuals to do away and destroy all objects of worship related to Igbo traditional spirituality. Objects like this is all for, this is all. He assisted them. A day came, he went for a community liberation as their tag date and a crusade. And the community gathered. A lot of people brought out objects of worship in Igbo tradition for him to assist them and destroy it. One man who was very popular because of his skill and the kind of job he does came out with an offer that belonged to his family. He came out with this the offer. It belonged to his entire family, not his personal offer. In the process, he brought it out for it to be destroyed. Then the Rev Father asked him, are you the head of your family? And he answered no. The Rev Father told him, but you are not the one that was supposed to be in custody of this offer. You are not in position to bring it out for destruction because it belonged to your family and not to you as an individual. If it should be destroyed, your family must agree that it should be destroyed in unity. And the elders in your family, being the Diokpara, must be present or must give an authorization or should be the one to bring it out or ask you to bring it out. If these conditions are not met, you are not in the best position to have it destroyed. But I will not spare the offer because you have brought it out already. If I ask you to take it back, people will go and tell the Catholic bishop, who I'm under, that I'm now encouraging people to keep back their offer. That is, I'm encouraging people to go back to Igbo traditional religion, which the church stands against. But the Reverend Father asked him that in one condition, you are going to be the one to burn this offer by yourself. I'm going to pray for you. I'm going to sprinkle the holy water, but you will be the one to light it up. This man went ahead, lit the offer. He burnt it. Something happened. Imana ndeba yesna mirozu awudaya. Mana ya zowo, ye dowule edowe. Nderi ahuru ya osa apoho n'okwu ndo mana ebido gbawa ọsọ mana wodokwa agha. After few months, imana ndị Igbo si na arishi women izi ya eme n'ọnwa ya eme n'afọ. No mgbe dị mma mgbe ọ mana ọ ga-emerite ihe na ha ka ihe na-eme. Ihe awu ilu ka ntaga mana ọtụkọ ihe nna chekọrọ no ihe mere ihe. After few months, something tragic happened to this man. He had a son who was like the breadwinner of the family. He was living outside the country, he was living outside Nigeria. Few months after this incident of burning this offer, something happened, an accident happened where his son worked overseas. A machine had issues while he was working. The machine caught fire. Unfortunately, the boy was caught up in the fire. He burnt and he lost his life. Somebody would be asking, how is this related to his father burning the offer? Could it be that the spirit or whatever associated with that offer ended up going there to kill the son or to unalive the son? And somebody would ask, is it compulsory, is it by force for somebody to return this if the person met it in his or her family? Does it mean this is so dangerous that it shouldn't be kept, since it looked like with this story that destroying it becomes a problem or causes problem in the family? Amamihe njiji oyibo na-ebido ihe a, ndị Igbo si na ejiri ilu ka oke ofeka agbara aka lawa. Because of our brothers and sisters who may not be good in comprehension of Igbo language, I will be missing Igbo language and the English in explaining this. Maka na ihe a lot of things ndị mmadụ na-eme ọ na-eri ele ha ọnụ. Enwere ndị nọta ha sị na ha na-ata ahụhụ na enwere arịsha edemere na be ha na because they have not been devoting their time or making devotions or making sacrifice to this oracle or this deity, that since then things has not been going well for them. Na ihe ebido na shure ha ike na ha atanya na Job na ahụ. Ụfọdụ sị na since mpa ha gbara agba for ha ọkụ that he has been in abroad, he has been working, he has nothing is coming out, he's hustling, his mess are making it big, but na kama wara maybe arịsha na eji ha that na things ada aga hofuma na check and call what ogene ọwụ na ọwụ eziokwu that name ihe na ọwụ compulsory na iwu ji na ọte ndọwụrụ ọfọ ngoda na nwa m tolite na iwu ji na ọ ga-ebu ọfa na iwu ji na ọ ga-eme ihe mere. Is it compulsory that this is going to be inherited by my son or by my children or by my generation? Is it by force to return object of worship, object of operations like this, which is juju, as is widely called in English, and ọgwụ n'ala Igbo? Or iwu oji na nwa m ga-eburu ihe a? The answer is no. It is not compulsory. Wee jidie. Mana mmadụ ga na-ajizi m, how come o ji anya kasị na emebie ihe a? Something tragic starts happening, or something bad seems to start happening in the family or happen against people residing in that family. First of all, start with the origin or how it was brought in the family in the first place. And whether Arisha, whether ofo ebutere na bono, na ebutere for egwuregwu or for fun or for child's play. Arisha Olano was brought in there for a purpose by your ancestors. There was something it was meant to do. It is like getting an armed escort in your compound. You don't just go and hire an armed escort for fun. Is either is there to protect you or protect the family against a threat. That happens to be the reason, or usually the reason why all those things say Jibuta. And when I'm doing a hamon okay, ya wonike, mon had that had a mamu. Ya wonika gana afa, mbebu gachuku. Chopata that nakandiro on and when the nebu and when the neck, say, how are you going to protect this family? In the spiritual realm, I couldn't escort an armed security. In the supernatural world, ya waroshi, a deity that will be there to protect them against the attack from their enemies. Your ancestors because there is an attack or against your family, that now this particular deity will stand to be waging war against it, protecting you against it. Now here you have every right at any point in time to say you don't want that deity. But the thing is this deity was on its own when your ancestors went there to get it. Now, Igbo, you wage it is not by force. Naroshe gano. Ndi Igbo say that naroshe pawaji kepa alika bola yebo shiribia. Eji wage say that nikenga na adidiri eji nyoko. On the nine in their wisdom gwara ihe niile nda. So naroshe rawashi na gwe oshiejire toye. That is, agwe oshiejire ka avoid the totems. Even though he's a spirit, no one talk them. See here, that is the area. Iga water. Now you know money jerry of what any monombo na how that na most times on the pota on the gaga boko in the church, boko on the Braham Matana compound on the Jideli Matarasha. And not take Queen Sarah Sharp, one of Judea in the traditional wage butter. Not take a long way sharp. If you pay a woman's bride price and the only Ela Iga Kapagana home wishing, Ita be a gipata, without number, but on the here, now I no one you believe Benawe wage the Ahan near gone, Gaparigan near. Giga is your fourth family name, how because he and the habata. Yawarishin the Nonagabut, how many and them, I Arisha Hayomi Abia. And what Arisha Arisha did that lazy. If I have a family give a nigga like that. Oh, damn, man, I am touching you and you possess in Jabba or Rash on any natural. It's not true. You may get Yarish to be a bangaga. You may have a woody way, you have other Kangana alone, and also have to entice the spirit to come and function. Just like if you go to State CID to get an escort or you go to Tiger Base, wherever you need to get police, you must pay some certain amount. You must fill some certain form before they will give you that security. That's how it happens in the traditional way. Solve a problem. Now, Muzieg, as an upcoming, okay, you're not longer interested. What you ought to do is not to go and call on your name with order. But yeah, this is just like you waking up in the morning. The security, the escort your father kept in your compound, you wake up in the morning, you started fighting them, hitting them, throwing them, pouring them fuel, trying to bomb them, trying to attack them, without asking why were they there in the first place. What do you think that will happen? They will leave the compound for you. And the moment they leave that compound for you, the criminal who has been targeting to come to your compound, the armed robber who has been planning to attack you, knowing fully well that your security is gone, will launch the attack again. Or if there has been an attack set up already, automated to attack you once there is porosity, the attack will happen immediately and strike you. And when that criminal comes and attack you the next night or after like 2 weeks or 1 week, what you will now start feeling is that, since I pursued this, my security man, he now came back to attack me. He now came back to steal from me. No, you chased your security away. Armed robber saw the porosity in your compound and decided to come in. That's what happens in Arusha. Attack. What happens is that in Arusha, ngwa ngwa ahụ emere ya akaja ahụ ozugbo that ya wa arụsị we automatically decide to leave you and gị hụzi na enwere ihe ọ nọchiri anya maka onye ọla nwere ihe ọ nọchiri anya mụ ọla nwere ihe ọ nọchiri anya na-eji gị ya sị na ọnwa arụsị bụ matara ka ọ na-enwe ike na-aga n'ihu ka agha ndị iro hapụ ịkwụsị na ịga n'ihu immediately ịchịpụrụ arụsị ahụ and enweghị ihe iji iche n'onwe gị mana ihe ọnụ nga ahụ wo die by fire ga na-agba egwu ozugbo ndị iro ga-egide gị pịam gwuo gị akpịrị n'ala gbado gị ụkwụ n'isi ihe ndị iro gị mere bidoziri ire na ha ga ihe gasị n'ọnwa arụsị ahụ ihe ndị ekwu nwere ike ya na-efe ụfọdụ efe na ntị ghọta ya enwere mgbe nna m ọchị na umere nne m ọ bụ eji aka ekwala m sị na mgbe nna ya rị ndụ wụ my grandfather o nwere ọfọ ndị o ji gacha like this mana ọ pụtara one day my uncle ya gwa mpe ya sị na ọfọ ndị I'm not interested in holding them don't pass it down to me mpe ya sị nwa m nsogbu anọdụ did my grandfather burn that off? No, he didn't. My uncle told me that one day he came back, he didn't see that off again. My grandfather has returned it in the way it came, in the traditional way. That is what you're supposed to ask. You cannot for protection for some certain things. Give one day, some of you guys say that after all, let me remind you in 2 Kings, you go to 2 Kings chapter 2. Give that here Elisha, because that 42 children insulted him and called him a bad man. He used the power of God, the God, your God, and laid the curse on them, and instantly he unalived the 42 children, killed them instantly. You know, the Bible, you've not even called God a wicked man. He's still your loving God. You've not called Elisha any bad name. He's still your prophet, the prophet of God. In 2 Samuel chapter 6, a man called Uzziah tried to catch the Ark of the Covenant while it was trying to fall down. God killed him because of it. He died. Today, you're not calling God. That's your Bible God. You're not calling it evil. You're not blaming God for that one. No. He's still a wonderful God. The Bible is still a holy Bible. Whatever that happened there is the act of God. It's awesome. It's wonderful. When I'm here, I'm yes, so good ordinal, maybe share with him, maybe share. No, ya na Arisha, while you can get one ordinal, send it to you, Belarisha. And we'll to give an epic, and we'll borrow Rash, bring it, took a ton of backlash. Yes, you quarter and willing Hamanala, the Belasha Bashi. Simple, you don't need to burn anything, no hint to be a hint on the time. Go up your Hoperic, I don't know, or for no one or can make it no. Oh, now, you can maybe hear you there, but dear and dear, Rokubadi nation. Yena mo for the moon or far nature or far namena on you don't mono ye protect on against that ogun on a maybe earlier on you don't go ya piagos when you location give on your cation arsha nature on is arsha nature on a willem by the chipper ndiregulation na upon apple. That is what happens. That is does not disprove the fact that number for now arshin de ega bare na maybe na retaliate they will retaliate, some will retaliate. Arshin de one ogugu ọkaja sị gị na ebu mmadụ na awụ Igbo mmadụ na-aga kama na ọ na-aga ilele ya egbu nye ọga anya. Enwere ndị waratana ha na family unu ha na generation has been in good times. He has been working endlessly, tirelessly. Ihe pụtazie otu ụkwụtụ. Instead of you to say okay, we are done, this contract is over. Ihe pụtazie buru ofe ya mọkụ buru ihe niile kparịa ya kpụrụ ụmụaji ọ na-aka aka die by fire ewo deti God arịsị nwere keke ọda ahụ ụzọ da here has been protecting your family, guiding your family for centuries. Arịsị ahụ ike tọn ọlele dị nwatakịrị na-akparị m ihe ya tọn bọgaji ihe wee chiele gị ike ya bọgaji si gị na ebe ọ na mbụ niile ọ bụla na-eji unu chenna nna gị chenna nna nna mụtara nna gị chego ọnụ cheji unu ji ọ na-emekwatarị ndụ problem na-abịakwụ ha ebie that na the end of the day you only for you to wake up one morning bido bụ ya asị n'ihu kparịwa ya abụọ gị ọnụ the thing will affect you ya ebido nye mega affect o mega affect na ọ wụla ya si ya pụọ no also you will pour in a respectful way. Ota and the non shelo mater energy and each other and share near this marriage is over, this union is over. That will be all. There will be no attack, there will be no repercussion, there will be nothing that will happen to you as a consequences for letting that deity go. When you water time. That in Igbo tradition, all these are not compulsory, that it must be returned, that it must be passed down to the next generation or to the children that are going to follow us. After you must have gone, they can decide one put us in here, no good be ya body be a bondo that are going to say, no good million on the tag share with na have a peaceful in the and I don't go at tongue as Ungretuan no gelo and you can all go Heja Mali, a William and Mama China, a Walla Tesha Welle. Or through one of the notion, what a week ago, Ben Nag, as some kind of running hacker, to happy one of 40 money game mistake, and we on them on Namadodge, Madola, you rock Mwege, and the 40 head or 10, we can walk. gị ewere ya nwere ọkụ mụla gị. Enwere ihe ndị ejiri m ọgwụ ahụ, ụdị ihe ndị awụda amansi, enwere ihe ndị nọ n'ime ya. Some of them are toxic in nature when you burn them, because elements combine together to form a compound, a spiritual compound, to form a metaphysical force. When you start burning them, some things start reacting, because you do some things, it will start burning. When you are burning them, you inhale the smoke. Yeah, cause like a problem. You burn it, and all of you that inhale the smoke there will start having issues, because you have inhaled something that you are not supposed to inhale while it is burning. That's why Gejo, and when Okugawana, Yana, one man any did a bria, Gatoya and Miri, when the guy won a bria, Gatoya and Georgia. Simple, and that will be all. And we shog up at Nago, and we shog up Tanagan Sona. He and go ham nolo. Now only can't look when we carry a waka glogo. Man, I only Hagan, so we guess one hour for Naga, or can give Lodiana, Manapa Shiragania. And the boss then we hear from Gono. In it to the Ganya, we guess the car, Madamia. You say in here and get away no go see in one or fun. Achadung, ma muru, mi herita, whatever that is in you, I don't want it. Simple. Get away no go. You can get on the gotcha, Moga put to okay, no about Sibico, Naraga be with have with each other. Each other Romia, as simple as that. Don't go and burn it. Near Kilamujagaban. Mufodimon on the Chari Halono. Yana ton, who cannot on the brebre, Kashawo, down here, grow to Gana to Gana Henila Wahon, Yana Bohane, a pecker. You may get no begin no Kalagana Tipa Badge again in here. And when the game even men, Hagar no Bodana so you work, as again what the Hemagan, all those superstitious believe, ha boy, and we will be at the bullition. Gives no Reverend Father Naga, maybe she. Reverend Father with the Quen, or see a marriage call your mom. Reverend Father with the pair, I call on more, no party she got 3 years ago. Kiam, there is nothing to tamper with Kega. In Hega mega, require, in Diro mega require. Before go kiss no grandmammy, Yakon, that okay, yeah, Master General. Abadam ge ku ya no makachi ha maka mo ka eto alu ihun na obodo gara n'ihu ihun na ihe mejiri ọma ụbọchị ma nọ mmata awa ahịa nkwụ asị m nkwa kwudela kama ya kwụta ihe ọma nọ n'ụlọ nọ n'ama omenala Igbo na asụsụ Igbo dị mma n'obi na mba niile nwere ka ha jide ebe asụ Igbo Okechukwu nyere ya gida hapụ eswa oyibo a ga-asụkwa oyibo mana a ga-asụkwa ya wa asụsụ Igbo na Chineke nyere anyị ya dada iberibe asị m ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-agba mbọ gị onye Igbo asị m ya gajiele gị gị gọwa ọfọ gọwa mmụọ ya gajiele gị mana ndị ọka sị na ha da agọ mmụọ mana ajọ ha onye wu Chukwu ha sịgara Chukwu wu mmụọ ịhụnana onye na-asụ na ọda agọ mmụọ edemiche ka mkpi na-eti Holy Ghost fire up and down ya hụzie esi ya nọ na-agọ mmụọ ya sị na onye ahụ onye ke ekwensu ya na onwe ya onye ke Chukwu chefuzie na ọta nọ na aha m Chukwu na onye na azawụla Chukwu na onye tupu ndị ọcha abụrụ ụka bịa na enwere obodo a na-akpọba arọ Chukwu na azawụla tupu ndị ụka eburu ụka bịa na ya marabụ na ihe Chukwu ma ụka abịa na ọwụ na nke a wọta Chukwu si nye ya asụsụ Igbo nye ya ọdịnala Igbo sa ji beku ya na-eji ebeke ya na-apụ ire apụ mba asị m ụbọchị ama nọ mbọ ọ na-akata ọnọkọta ọ na nwere akụrụ ụlọ amara kpatara ọ na-ga-elo na ndụ ọgada wụ n'ozu asị m ka onye na-eme ya gajieli ya nwa mmụọ emegbule nwa mmadụ nwa mma na-emegbule nwa mmụọ asị m ka onye na-ebeke ya kwụwa aka ya ọtọ ụbọchị ama n'ọnụ mma